Hello everybody. Last time we have done cash book, that is double column cash book and single column cash book. Okay. So today we'll be doing petty cash book. Now what is the meaning of petty? Petty cash book. Petty means small transaction which occur in the business. Okay. So one person will be receiving some amount of money from the business and he is utilizing those money in the small expenses. Okay, for example, you might have the word pitti sardar, isn't it? Commonly, generally we use the word pitti sardar. Small tasks you will be handovering, you will be taking that and taking the responsibility of using those expenses. Okay, according to his wishes, he just expenses, he expend the money and then he has to show that report to the business. Okay, in the same manner, here also petty cash book we are making. See, a person, okay, we write like this. This is the name of the business in the books of Samayra Trader. This is the name of the business. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make a petty cash book. Okay, now this is a cash book where it is written only the receipt of cash and payment of cash in the different items. Okay, like petty cashier will get some amount of money, that is we write like this, received amount. Okay, see, you have to write like this, amount received, one column, how much he will receive. He might receive in the beginning of the month. Okay, so whatever he receives we write here, and we just write in the second column, that is date. Okay, here we mention in the top of this column and then we write only the date so that it will be convenient for us. Okay, so this is the date column and we write particulars for writing all the items for the petty cashier and made the expenses. Okay, like see, first is cash receipt. After that, now he is going to make expenditure in all those expenses. See, auto fare, courier services, postal stamp, eraser, sharpener, speed post, telegram, refreshment, STD call charges, cartage. See, I have not written the whole questions on this board, as my board is, you might have seen that small board I am using it here. It's not very small comparatively, isn't it? So what I am doing is this, that half of the items only I have mentioned it here just to make you understand the particulars for which the cashier, the person who is doing the work of business, that is the name of the business is Samayra Traders. A person, petty cashier, the person who is making this account, he is also some kind of person, accountant work he is doing, accounting work, and he is petty cashier. Okay, he is none other than petty cashier. Now he makes this account, got it? Now how do he makes the account? He makes all this column first. Okay, this much column is different than this items from here. See, he writes amount received from for the first column and he mentioned the date for the various items, and he write vouchers number if he receives voucher number from some of the claimant, and another one is the amount paid, whatever amount he spent on those items, he will be mentioning it here. And after that he analyzes. Okay, what he does is he makes the various category. Okay, for example, some expenses are repeatedly he has to do it. For example, postage work. See, you forget this columns now. From here you try to understand. What he does is he makes some common items column. Okay, like postage, he has to repeatedly make expenditure in this postage work. For example, sometimes courier service comes, then he has to pay money for that. Sometimes postal stamps, he has to make payment for that. Sometimes speed post. So these all are similar nature, isn't it? So he puts that similar items in one column, that is postage column. Whatever happens related to the post office, the courier service. Okay, so he'll be writing here. Okay. Now another one is telephone and telegram. One item he has made it. Why? Because most of the time it is repeatedly he has to make the expenses, that is telegram, for telegram that work, and another one is STD call charges. This all comes in one that column. Another one is conveyance, like transportation work. Okay, for example, auto fare, bus fare, vehicle, any expenditure, reserve vehicle, whatever it happens, whatever expenses happen, he writes in this conveyance columns. Okay. The another one, whatever the stationary work, like buying of erasers, sharpeners, cartage, that is computer ink, isn't it? The expenses made for buying this ink of the computer, and whatever happens related to the stationery, then he'll be mentioning in this column. Now rest, if he, on that unknowingly any expenses happens from him, then he'll be writing in the miscellaneous column. The small items are togetherly. In general column he makes, the name of this general column is miscellaneous expenses column. Okay, so like this, see in the miscellaneous expenditure or expenses column, what he has written for the refreshment, and this kind of expenses which he hasn't made the topic for that, and leftover means he puts all those expenses in the miscellaneous columns. Okay, then after that what he will be doing is, see how he has done. First of all, he paid the money for auto fare, and the amount paid, isn't it? He has written 55 rupees for auto fare. Then this goes to where? Conveyance, isn't it? Then after that, after in the third date, first date cash receipt, 2nd May paid for auto, that 55 rupees, and it goes to the conveyance column. Now another one, he paid on 3rd May, he paid for courier service, amount paid 40 rupees. Now courier service is related to which column? Postage column. Okay. Then another one, 4th May, he has paid for postal stamp. How much money he has paid? 105, and it goes in the postage column. Now in the 5th May, eraser sharpener he has bought, and that is the amount paid 225. Then it goes in the stationery column. Likewise, telegram paid 34 rupees, and it goes in the telephone column. Now STD calls paid 87, it goes to the telegram, and so on. Okay. Now what will happen after that? How much money he has paid? Altogether all amount paid, that is 749. Though he has received from the business, that is 2000. Okay. Business, to whom the business has trust upon. Okay. So that person will get this amount for making the expenses like this. Now see, 749 only he has paid. Made the that expenses. Okay. Now how much money is left over from that 2000? See, this is the rough work. Now 1251 again it is remained with him. It is cash in hand with the petty cashier. Now that will be balance CD. Now this work will be done in the end of the month. Okay. Month at the end he has now again 1251 in his hand. Okay. So what he will do in the next month, that will be, this is closing balance, carried down, or you say closing balance. Now this will be opening balance, that is brought down. Okay. In the first date of June. Now 1251. Now again likewise he might get the another amount from the business for making all these kind of expenses. He'll be adding here, and he'll be doing again this kind of that amount, whatever he's made the amount spent. So likewise he'll be doing for all the months. Okay, this is how you can make the petty cash book. This is very simple and easy, without using debit and credit method. Nothing is there, only you need to make the column and like this. Okay, this column can be added in a various manner. You can add more and more column also. If there are so many items like that, if you find that refreshment, again refreshment, hotel bill, like that, if you find, then you write it here. You paid the amount like this. Okay, you are doing the work of petty cashier. In case you'll be doing like that, and you'll be adding one more column, that is refreshment column, because it is repeating again and again. So if it is not only one time expenses he has to make, that he puts that expenses in the miscellaneous column. Okay, thank you so much. If you have not understood, then you can always call me in the account, phone calls, through phone calls, or in the WhatsApp account. Okay, thank you.